Well, the whole point of running an incident response plan is so that, not so that you win, you're not trying to win a game or guess the best answer, or guess the biggest prize. What you're trying to do is figure out where you may have gaps in your incident response plan. So have you thought about AI? Have you thought about the threat of deep fakes? Have you thought about the fact that you may have staff using AI, maybe to publish an article or to use a marketing material? And what would happen if they use the AI and they use copyrighted material? Or what if someone uses AI against you and starts posting a bunch of automatically generated but really realistic sounding bad reviews? Looks like it's happened over a set of time, but whoa, this just all posted today. What's going on? And then you get the phone call. Why? Do you want me to take these down? Or would you like me to continue posting bad reviews to ruin your business's reputation? So it can lead to extortion, almost like ransomware, but without any file encryption, just like business reputation extortion. You have to think of things like that. And every time we have a new technology, unfortunately, the bad guys are going to figure out a way to use it against us. So we have to think about those things in our incident response plans. And that's the great thing. Reclamere is here to help do real live incident response exercises with you and your staff, so you can write the correct policies and procedures and test those against real world scenarios.